Hey guys, and welcome to Foxtail Tips. Today's tip is on... So today I'm going to be showing you an editing technique that you can use that is more of a structural editing technique. I'll still show you the technicalities between how to pull it off, but this is more of a structural edit. You might have noticed sometimes when watching movies, or sometimes when watching videos, that you may be watching scene A, and right before you have a cut to scene B, you hear a little bit of the audio before that scene. Did you notice you just get a little sound smoothly transition from one scene to another, one topic to another? It's not always something that you have to do. It's not there to fix a problem. It's a really good detail that will add another layer of sophistication to your videos. You have a difference in the pacing, how the moments don't quite run as smoothly as it did here. But to show you how to technically do it, you'll need to unlink your footage so that you can adjust and put the audio before the video. So what you'll do is you'll highlight it, and again, we're using Premiere here. You will go to unlink, all right, and then you will trim away some of the video, all right? Make sure you highlight everything that's going to be affected in this little blip of time. So we've got all of our titles, we've got all of our sound, we've got all of our music. So we drag everything down a layer, and then we scoot it over. Let's go ahead and make sure that the title cuts at the same time as well. So now, when we watch it...
Definitely rotten. But hey, you handled like a champ in there.
You think so?
A tres cuadras y a time izquierda.
Okay, so you see there, we've bridged a transition. Transitions, again, are very, very important, and I would say that anytime that if you're running into a problem with a transition, if you feel like it's a little bit shoddy, if you feel like it's not cutting together very well, before you panic, try this out. That might be the only thing that you need to bridge a gap from point A to point B, and even if you feel like it isn't necessary, try experimenting with it because it does add a layer of quality to what you're doing. Thank you guys very much for watching this, and again, these tips are brought to you by Foxtail Productions in support of Team Real World. Y'all have a great day.